Wednesday morning. Probably going to be the last chance I get to fish this beach. We got plans for the mornings for the rest of the week. Not bringing the cart today, just a backpack and a cooler for some of the bait. We ate the fish we caught last night, so today's just fishing for fun. Something on this one. Oh yeah. Oh, hey boys, hey. It's running that way. Watch the line. As soon as it bit it, it went left, and I knew the line was going to come to you guys. Oh, nope, nope, it's turning around, going back. Not that fast. There we go. Oh, big heavy guy. Whew. Want to touch him? Hey, he's safe. He's not going to hurt you. I got his tail. All right, let's put him back. Oh, there he goes. Appreciate the help.
You're welcome.
Oh, tic-tac-toe. All right. Ooh, good choice. I was going there next. Cat wins. All right. Got ourselves another customer. Oh, a bigger one. Yeah, I think it's another big stingray. Oh, popped out. Popped out of his mouth right at the bank. So we found a live sand dollar.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh.
Look, it's moving. Look, its legs.
Wow.
Moving around. Did you show Mom it moving around?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. I wish Grammy was here. Grammy loves sand dollars. Nope, there we go. Got a bite. Yep, another stingray. Let's get him up. Let's turn you over. By the way, I think it goes without saying, but if you're thinking about doing this yourself, do not step on that barb if you don't have shoes on. And let's get this guy back. Let's release him away from my family. Let's get him going this way. There he is. Yep, he's just chilling out there for a second. There he goes. I don't know if you can see through the water or not. Yep, that's a fish. This one's not a stingray. Might be a baby shark. And it is. Ooh, all right. A little bit bigger than the babies yesterday. Little Atlantic sharp nose. Pretty shark. Some dolphins just cruising by. Oh yeah, we're nice and close. All right, there you go. That's awesome. All right, what do we got going on here? They say no ray. At least I don't. Oh, there might be a ray. Well, it's fighting really weird for a ray, but I think it might be. Yeah, it's a ray. Decent size one. Oh. I like to use this to keep control of that barb.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. All right, another little itty bitty guy. Want to check him out? I got control of his head, so just don't go above my hand.
He's so nice.
Oh, wow.
And then you rub the other way in the sandpaper.
Oh, really?
Smooth that way, rough that way.
Oh, wow. Holy cow.
Yeah. Whoop. Bye, dude. You got it? Yeah, it's heavy. Yeah?
Yeah, it's real.
You don't want to reel it in?
No.
That's not that heavy. I don't know what this is. It's not that big. Nah, he came off.
Hello.
Yep, not sure, boy or girl.
Oh, actually.
Ow! Hey, this one pinched me.
Did it actually hurt?
No, it just surprised me.
Is it a marsh or a sand?
Well, I don't see the purple on top. Remember which is which? I believe this might be the marsh. And see the apron, so it definitely is a girl. See it blows bubbles out of his gills right there. Yeah, I think this might be a marsh fiddler. Or no, this might be a ghost crab actually. There you go. You gonna put him in the sand? Have a fun day at the beach?
Yeah!
All right. What kind did you get?
We both got the same. The cranberry, mango, and strawberry.
What is it? Oh, just a mix that they just made up for you. Cool. Yeah, look how green that is.